SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to stop an iPhone from locking too quickly in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has a setting called Auto Lock that will cause it to lock the screen automatically after a certain period of inactivity. This setting is called Auto Lock, and it can be beneficial in helping to extend your battery life while also preventing pocket dials. So if your iPhone is currently turning off too fast and you would like to make it wait a little longer before it turns itself off, then you can change this setting by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Display and Brightness option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again and choose Auto Lock here. Now you just need to choose one of these other options, and once you make that selection, then your iPhone is going to wait that amount of time before it locks itself automatically. Note that it's going to detect your attention when you're looking at the screen, and it won't dim the display if that attention is detected.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.